G'day throttlers and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to be unboxing what could be the world's best motorcycle glasses. So if this is something that interests you, stick around, check it out. If you're new to the channel, folks, welcome aboard. This channel is all about motorcycles, cars, boats, accessories for all three, product reviews, vehicle reviews, events, motoring destinations, anything to do with a throttle. So if this is something that may interest you, please hit subscribe down below, tap that bell icon to stay informed, and for now, let's get into unboxing these Skram motorcycle glasses. Okay, so before we go and start ripping apart this box and showing you what's inside the Skram glasses, I want to take you back a few months. Now, I got a message from Mark Hawwa, and for those of you who don't know Mark Hawwa, he's the founder of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Now, the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, you should probably know if you're a motorcyclist anywhere in the world. It's an event that runs right around the world, raising money for charity. It started in Sydney and still is very strong in Sydney as a classic styled motorcycle event, dressing dapper. Now around the world, a lot of countries aren't really sticking to the classic motorcycle theme, but what they are sticking to is dressing dapper, which is very cool, and more importantly, raising money for very good charities. Now Mark has gotten together with a couple of his mates, realizing that there's a gap in the marketplace for a good quality transition lens glass to ride motorcycles with that's also toughened and also has the ability to have prescription put in it. That's where Skram comes in. So that's the history. He started a Kickstarter campaign, and I think the Kickstarter campaign got funded really fast because they were very successful, and this week this arrived. So I've had a sneak peek in here and I'm pretty impressed, but I'm going to open the box for you guys now and to show you how well it's presented, the quality of the product, and to recommend to anyone to check these out. So let's get into it, rip this apart and show you the Skram glasses. Now, starting with this beautiful black cardboard box. I'm not sure if you can see on the camera, Skram embezzled in the top. Just looks really nice. Really classy to start. When you open your parcel and this is sitting in it, it's an exciting time. Starting with a couple of stickers. So the unique thing about the Skram motorcycle glasses are, number one, the lenses are toughened. So they are toughened in case you have any rocks fly up while you're riding with an open helmet. So the glass won't shatter in your eye. It's tough, a toughened lens. Now, the other thing about these is they're a transition lens. So you may be able to see that starting to change already, but it's a clear lens that in direct sunlight goes dark into a normal sunglasses style lens. So that's one of the unique things. Now, you have two choices of transition. You have clear to black, which is what I've chosen. So this will go like a dark black, like a normal sunglass when I go outside, or you can get clear to yellow. So if you're someone who's riding into the night and you like to have those yellow lenses to really lighten up the road around you, you can choose to have the clear to yellow lens as well. Now, not only are they transition lenses, but Mark's friend, the optometrist, has also made the availability to get these done as a prescription lens. So I sent my prescription to him and also my pupil distance, the distance between my two pupils, And he made these glasses a prescription lens for me as well. So not only are they toughened lenses, they are also transition lenses, either clear to black or clear to yellow. And they're also prescription if you desire a prescription as well. Now they don't do multifocal though, it's only single focal. So, but it does make it the ultimate pair of riding glasses. All right, the one downside to the Skram product so far is that obviously there's no shop front selling these, and they have 3 different styles, 3 different frame shapes for these glasses, and you don't have an opportunity at the moment to actually try them on to see if they suit your face. You've just got to look at the styles and have a guess that they might suit you. To be honest, these don't suit me very well, but I'm not a fashion guy. Like, I actually bought these just for the practicality of them and the safety of them. And I am super happy, without a doubt, that I've purchased these. But in the future, hopefully there'll be some sort of an availability for you to be able to try them on and see if the frame shapes actually fit the style of your head. We all have such different shaped heads, and that's really important for people who care about fashion. Anyway, let's get back into what else is in the box. So obviously, every good pair of glasses needs a cleaning product. Nice little strap to hang them off your belt. All very good quality, feels like real leather. Very nice. And the piece de resistance is this magnificent glass case. Really nice, solid, a magnet close on it to get rid of the stuffing out of there. But something that's very, very sturdy and secure. You can throw it in your backpack, throw it in your panniers on your bag, and you know that your glasses are going to be protected no matter where you go. Alright guys, so there you go. That's my unboxing of the Skram motorcycle glasses. I love them. I've already been for a couple of rides with them on, and I absolutely love them. I will give updates over time on how they go, how they wear, and obviously squeezing them in and out of helmets, they're going to bend a little bit. So I'll update you, but for now, big thumbs up for Skram Moto Eyewear, and if you want to check them out, there will be a link in the description below and also at the bottom of the screen now. So check out Skram Moto Eyewear, get your hands on what is possibly the world's best motorcycle glass, and until the next video guys, subscribe, like, throttle on. Ciao.